Today we had a chance to sit down with United Safety and Survivability Corporation.
So Joe Mirabili, President and CEO of United Safety and Survivability. We are focused on making life-saving devices for people, making people's lives better, saving lives in the markets that we serve.
We wanted to learn about how USSC helps to save lives and the planet with their sustainability with their products they made.
The big things that we're focused on is, of course, environmentally sustainable, environmentally friendly products. We have things like our water mist, our environmentally friendly water mist fire protection systems that protect life and property. We also have lots of other products that go into electric vehicles, like electric buses, electric trains, all types of different EV vehicles, we call them. We're using lots of sustainable materials and lightweight materials that increase range, decrease energy usage, and we're actually using recycled ocean plastics and other recycled plastics in a lot of those vehicles as well.
So my name is CJ. I've been with United Safety for 7.5 years. I'm Director of Engineering for our fire protection department. We are working very hard to meet that demand for new electric buses coming out, as well as electric cars and things of that nature, down to how do we protect the storage. So like where these buses are being parked, concerns there. If one bus catches on fire, it can catch other buses on fire. So we're looking at ways to protect that as well. Bus catches on fire, as you can imagine, if it burns completely, releases a lot of toxic chemicals into the air. From a sustainability standpoint, making sure that these things don't catch on fire or burn to the ground is definitely something we're going for. There are over 300 school bus fires a year actually in the United States. So that's why we've been getting into the school bus industry a lot in the past few years. We can reduce that number to zero. Obviously we are helping for safety, but also making sure we're not sending 300 school buses into the atmosphere in the form of bad chemicals.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.